Hello you guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing a awesome power hour cleaning motivation. This is my first video back after I had my baby, so I'm no longer pregnant in my videos. We are back in action. So if you need some cleaning motivation, if you like to watch cleaning videos or clean along with me, we are going to get this video started. Let's go. The first thing I'm doing is actually vacuuming some of the bedrooms. I just wanted to get this done really fast before my son went down for his nap. Well, my toddler. I now have a toddler and a newborn. So yeah, you can see my toddler here running around while I vacuum his room. I just really needed to get this done, so I did it while he was awake. I normally never clean while he's up, but now that I have two kids, it's just the reality sometimes. If I want to get anything done, at least one of my kids is probably awake because there's just like no time, especially with a newborn. They're almost never sleeping at the same time. So yeah, just gonna clean my toddler's room before he goes down for a nap. And then I also sprayed some of the Drift fabric refresher air freshener spray. I love the way this smells. It has this awesome like baby powder smell. If you've never tried it, I love it. Sprayed this all over the room. And then basically did the same thing in me and my husband's bedroom. I just straightened up the bed and vacuumed really good, and then sprayed some air freshener and lit a candle. This is kind of like an everyday thing for me. If I have no time at all, it just feels good to get something done. Something like this, it takes, 2 to 3 minutes. It really takes no time at all, but it makes the room look and smell so much better. So yeah, just gonna vacuum in here really quick, get the room smelling good, and move on to the third bedroom, the guest room / makeup get ready room. Now we are in the guest room. As you can see in the background, that is where my vanity is, but this is like our guest room / where I put all the clean clothing that I haven't folded yet / the room that I do my hair and makeup in. It's kind of a cluster, but it's very useful, and I just think it's so cute in here. So I am taking care of that clean clothes. Finally, this is the clean clothes dumping ground, like I said. So I'm just going to fold what needs to be folded, hang what needs to be hung, and then we are going to straighten up the bed and finally put it all back together with its throw pillows and stuff. Vacuum, and again, light candles, do some air freshener, get it smelling good. I also needed to refill all my Airwick plugins, and there's one in here, so we're going to do that. I have my Christmas December scent that I'm starting. I was actually filming this on December 1st, so I was like, perfect timing, get out all my pine scented air freshener stuff. So I'm going to be switching my Airwick plugins to the juniper and pine, and all my candles that I'm lighting are very Christmas scented. So yeah, love that for me. Definitely getting my house into the holiday spirit as much as I can, since I am not even going to bother with decorating this year with a brand new baby. I just don't have the time or energy for that. Maybe next year, but at least this year I can get it smelling like Christmas in my house. So that is the goal. Now moving on to the kitchen, and drum roll please, we finally got our new dishwasher. We ordered it so long ago, but basically every single dishwasher is on a 3 to 6 months backtrack, or what is it called, like back stock, where you order it and then you have to wait forever because everything's out of stock. So if you want to gift yourself with an amazing gift for Christmas like we did, it came just in time for the baby, for all these extra dishes and bottles. Get a dishwasher. This literally takes my kitchen cleaning time from like 45 minutes to 15 minutes because all I have to do is unload and reload the dishwasher. Washing dishes by hand takes forever. So yeah, I'm just emptying out the dishwasher of all the clean dishes and loading it up with all the dirty dishes in the sink. Then I'm going to go and wipe everything down. I really did need to wipe down like all the cabinets and stuff. This is normally something I do on the first of the month. Like I said, I was filming this on December 1st. And I'm just filling a cleaning bowl with really hot water and Pine Sol. And I'm going to take one of my cleaning rags and wipe down all the counters, all the cabinets, everything. These white cabinets show everything, and I try to keep up with this and do it at least once a month to get all the dust and kitchen grease and fingerprints off of everything. Of course, I spot clean as I go if I see something really gross, but in general, once a month, I just do a good wipe down of everything in the kitchen. And I'm also going to be wiping down all the stainless steel in this video as well. I'm wiping down all of these stainless steel appliances with a specific stainless steel spray cleaner, and I just got this because I wanted to try it out, but honestly, I don't really care for it. I got this, it's the Wyman, I think is how you pronounce it, brand, and it's fine. It did the job. It smells good. My stainless steel is clean and shiny. However, I feel like it's kind of just a waste of money because it didn't give me any different results than just using half water, half vinegar like I always do. So I'll just finish out this bottle. It's not the worst product in the world. It did just fine. It smells really good. It's great. But once it's out, I will probably just go right back to half water, half vinegar in a spray bottle and call it a day because it's just so much easier and faster and cleans the stainless steel, makes it shiny just as much as this does. So, yep. Last but certainly not least, we are moving on to these floors. We've been getting snow, so the dogs have been tracking in all kinds of mud and dirt. My floors were so crusty. I did not have time to go over them more than once, which I really wish I did, because they were really bad, but at least I got to them one time. So I'm going to vacuum really, really good, and then go in with my O-Cedar spin mop with super, super hot water and some pine sol and start cleaning these floors and really scrubbing them. Again, I wish I would have had time to go over them twice. Normally in the past, I usually would mop again and again and again, and basically until the water ran clear, but I barely had time to do that with just my toddler. Now I definitely don't have time to do that with also a newborn. It's just basically impossible. I never have that much time in one sitting to do that with my newborn. So once he gets a little bit older and maybe he starts napping at the same time as my other son, we can get back to more of the like crazy deep cleaning, hours and hours of cleaning at a time. But for right now, it's basically whatever I can get done in like 15 to 30 minutes to an hour, just depending on the day, depending on who's awake. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's crazy. So I'm just going to mop up all these floors really, really good. That pine sol scent all over the house, and finish lighting up all of my candles, getting the entire house just, again, smelling like Christmas, smelling like pine sol, pine trees, toasted oranges and clove, the whole nine. I definitely wanted to get my house smelling clean, because I feel like this was the first time that I actually got to clean for like a full hour, probably since my son has been born. So feels good to just do the floors and get everything super, super clean and fresh and smelling amazing. So I have an air wick out here as well in the dining room. Gonna light a candle, and that is all for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the absolute world to me. If you subscribe, thank you so much. Welcome to the family, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.